If you're planning to start a YouTube channel in 2026, or you've already started a YouTube channel, but you're not getting any views, you're not getting subscribers, you're just confused, you don't know what you're doing, I want you to watch this video because I have been creating videos on YouTube for months now and I have learned a lot of things on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of things that you need to know about YouTube. YouTube has changed, and if you don't adapt, you will keep posting videos and wonder why nobody's watching. So let's just dive in. Before you even start up a YouTube channel, you need to sit down and ask yourself, who am I helping on YouTube? In 2026, YouTube will not promote random content. YouTube will not just promote a channel that posts everything. You have to pick a lane, you have to choose a lane. So ask yourself that question, who am I helping on YouTube? So when you sit down and think, there are so many lanes that you can go for on YouTube. The lane I'm talking about is the niche. You have to pick a niche. There is the entertainment niche, there's the tutorials niche, there's fitness and all that. You have to sit down and pick a lane, and if you're able to pick a lane and you're able to like post content based on that lane, people will know what to expect from you on YouTube, and the YouTube algorithm will understand what your channel is all about, and it will start promoting your videos to the people that needs to see it. That is why you have to pick a lane. So don't post random content, don't post anything you feel like posting on YouTube. You have to sit down, choose a lane before you even touch the camera. Then you have to hook your audience in the first 3 seconds. The first 3 seconds, you just have 3 seconds to prove that your video is worth watching. You need to forget about that 30 seconds intro. You know, those videos that you're going to click on and they will introduce themselves and they will add videos about themselves and pictures about themselves, introducing their channel and, you know, posting just random things as their intro. You need to ditch that. You know, you're a beginner, you're a YouTube beginner, and you just started YouTube, nobody knows you. So when they click on your video, that first 3 seconds, it is very, very crucial for you. So make sure that you hook them. How do you hook them? You have to start by stating the problem. Start by stating the problem and go straight to the point. Do not introduce yourself. Do not say my name is this and this, my channel is this and this. Don't do that, because nobody wants to know. They already know what your channel is all about. They've seen your name, they've seen all those things, so you don't need to introduce yourself. Just go straight to the point, state the problem, and, you know, make them curious so that they will watch your videos till the very end. When YouTube notices that people are watching your videos till the very end, YouTube will start promoting that video. So forget about that intro that you're planning on. Don't introduce yourself, don't do that. Just go straight to the point. Then you have to make sure that you make searchable content. Why do you need to make searchable content? Nobody knows you on YouTube. Nobody knows you. You're a newcomer, you're a beginner, like you're a novice. Nobody knows you at all on YouTube. So you don't have to go to YouTube and start posting videos on how you travel to so and so place. Nobody will watch your videos. Just create search based content, like for example, how to edit a video, how to create a YouTube channel, how to do this, how to do that. You know, just create how to videos, those how to videos. And when you create how to videos, it will give you free traffic. It will attract people into your channel. People that don't know you will start watching you, and, you know, your niche will keep them, but your personality will make them to stay and subscribe, and, you know, like they will want to see more content from your channel. So try to make search based content. Don't start creating different videos on how you did this, or like how you travel to so and so place, what you're doing, like a day in my life, those kind of content. Don't create it, because nobody wants to see that on YouTube. You're a newcomer and nobody knows you, except you're a celebrity. Then you can do it, but you're not a celebrity. So for now, start creating search-based content. So how do you actually grow on YouTube? You grow on YouTube by making videos that people want to watch till the very end, not videos that somebody will click on and they will click off immediately after 10 seconds. Nobody wants that, and YouTube does not want that. YouTube wants people to spend more time on their platform. So you have to create videos that people will watch till the very end. You have to increase your audience retention, like they will watch your videos till the very end. So how do you increase your audience retention? You have to cut out dead space, you have to keep your pacing tight, and you have to use fast transitions, and you also have to add mini hooks after 20 seconds or maybe after 30 seconds. That way you will keep them watching till the very end. Try to make your videos to be really, really interesting. Tell them interesting stories, do things that will make people to watch you till the very end. That way you will grow on YouTube. Then don't forget to be consistent on YouTube. When I say be consistent on YouTube, I don't mean you should be posting videos every blessed day. No, I mean you should post 1 video every week or 2 videos every week. When you're always showing up on YouTube algorithm will one day promote your YouTube channel. So when I say be consistent, I don't mean you should just be posting random content or posting low quality videos. You have to sit down and create high quality videos, and make sure that your videos solve a problem. Make sure that your videos have a long lifespan. Like in the next 10 years, people will still be watching that video. When you rush and create 20 videos on YouTube and post on YouTube, you will not get anything from that video. But if you sit down create a video, edit that video really well, and post it, and the video is of high quality, then you will get something from just that one video. One video is better than 20 rushed videos. Let me just tell you guys the truth. So be consistent. Don't post every day. Posting every day will not get you anything. You will just be bombarding the algorithm with videos. Just post one video and let the algorithm do its magic. Then after 3 to 4 days, you can post another video. That is what I mean. So be consistent. Be posting your videos weekly. Every week, post a video, and the YouTube algorithm will promote your videos. Make sure you master your thumbnails and your title. Your thumbnail is like your billboard. Your billboard, like it is the first thing that people will see, and it will attract them to click on your videos. So if your thumbnail is not getting people to click, YouTube algorithm will not promote your videos. You have to get people to click on your videos. So as a YouTube beginner, try to craft a good title, a title that will hook people, a title that will make people curious. You can your titles should be how to do so and so, or how to so and so in 2026. I tried so and so, so you don't have to, or the truth about so and so that they're not telling you. Try to make your videos to be like curiosity grabbing. Let people see your videos, your video title, and be like, wow, I have to click on this video to find out what this person is talking about. Don't be like a day in my life. Nobody will click that video. Nobody wants to know how your day went. Nobody wants that. You're a YouTube beginner and you have a goal. So try to create search-based content, how to so and so in 2026 or in 2025, and you see you will get viewers, you will get an audience. You also have to make your viewers feel seen. You have to engage with your viewers. Do not just be posting videos and we post videos, you disappear. No, try to be replying your comments. Ask your viewers questions and answer their questions. You can use your community post to engage more with them. Like, try to make them feel seen. Whenever someone comments, try to discuss with that person. Let that person feel seen. Let that person feel that they belong to your family. And whenever you post your videos, they will be like motivated. They will be motivated to click on your videos and watch your videos. But if somebody clicks on your videos and you don't even reply that person would not want to comment on your videos anymore. So try to reply that person, and don't just reply. Try to like engage them, like strike up a conversation with them, and they would want to comment again on your videos. Don't just ignore comments. Try to reply all your comments as fast as possible. When somebody clicks on your videos and watch your videos and they comment, try to reply that comment very, very fast. That's why YouTube will be like, when you post a video on YouTube, do not go offline, be online, so that when people comment, you will reply them really, really fast. The mistakes that will kill your YouTube channel in 2026 or even in this 2025, let me just break it down for you. I'm not going to like explain anything. Let me just make lists. Number one is long, boring intros. Long, boring intros. The next one is reposting TikTok videos. The next one is posting random content. The next one is quitting after posting 5 videos on YouTube. You just post 5 videos on YouTube and you're not getting any result. You just quit. The next one is posting 1 video in 1 month or in 4 weeks. You post 1 video and you disappear for 4 weeks. Then after 4 weeks, you post another one. You will not grow on YouTube. Nobody will know you on YouTube. Your videos will not go anywhere, and YouTube algorithm will not promote your videos. If you're doing all these things, just forget about growth on YouTube. You won't grow. The truth about growing on YouTube, let me just tell you guys, you don't need the best camera. You don't need to buy any expensive gadget or anything for your YouTube channel. Your phone is enough. For me, for example, I'm using my phone to do my videos, and I got a mic. So just get a mic and use your phone, and you need sunlight to just create content on YouTube. With all these things, you can create content on YouTube. Then if you want to succeed on YouTube, you have to make sure that you use good title, you read good books, you have good ideas, and you're posting consistently. If you're able to do these 4 things, you will succeed on YouTube. Like, you will succeed. Take it from me. You will grow. You will blow up on YouTube, and you will get thousands of subscribers and viewers and all that. So just do all these things. Don't do the mistakes I mentioned in this video. Don't do those things. If you do those things, you will not grow. You won't go anywhere on YouTube. So try to be consistent. Try to use good titles, and your videos will blow up. Then I want to ask you guys something. If you want to know how I got my 500 subscribers, just go down to the comment section and write it down there. Make it known there, so that the next video I post, I will explain how I got my first 500 subscribers. YouTube is not easy. Let me tell you the truth. It is not easy, but with consistency and hard work, you're going to get there. We will get there. So just go down to the comment section and let me know if you want to know how I got my 500 subscribers. Then again, after creating your YouTube channel, there are some settings that you have to beware of. Some settings that you have to make sure that you set them properly. So I made a video about it. I would advise you to click on that end card shown on your screen. When you click on that end card, you will watch the video and you will be well educated on how to use those settings for the growth of your YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe if you found this video helpful. Subscribe, please, and make sure you like this video and don't forget to comment. I'll see you guys in the next one.